Hi guys, in this video, we will discuss some other functions of text formulas. This time, we will focus on the usage of left, right, and mid. When we say left, it means that we want to know what are the characters or what are the letters that is available on the left side of our data with a specific number of character. When we say right, we want to know what are the particular letters or character that is available on my right side, on the right side of my data with specific number of character. And then when we say mid is a little bit tricky because it requires multiple criteria. Okay, so I will explain you that later on. First is I'll show you what is left and what is right. Okay, so for example, you are working in a bank or you are dealing with file that comes from the bank. So you are monitoring the bank transactions of your company. So I have here the data, okay, example of that. So in this particular data, you want to know what are the first six letters on the left side of your data. So we'll use left formula and then go to the cell where you want to count the left characters of your data, then comma, and then how many letters you want. So for example, I want only 6, okay? Then close it with a parenthesis. So the 6 letters on my left is credit. And then I'll just copy. Okay, so all of my data starts with credit. I mean, the first 6 letters or character of my data is credit. How about in right? Okay, so right is the characters on the right side of my data. So right, okay, and then go to the source data, and then how many characters you wanted. If I want, okay, let's say 10. Okay, then these are the 10 characters on the right side of my data. Okay. Now let's understand what is the usage of mid formula and how it will be done. Basically, mid formula is used to get a certain character in the middle of our data. And it will ask you at which point you want to start the getting of information or the data and how many characters you wanted to capture. Okay, so this is our data from the bank. And if you can see, check number, colon, and space are uniform, or they are written in standard manner. Okay, basically bank will give like that. The data that they will give will have a uniform format. Okay, so check number, colon, and space are uniform. So how to do the mid formula is, first we will type mid, okay, and then it says go to the text. So this is the text, okay, and then it will ask start number up to which point you want to get the character. Okay, so I'll just close it again. We'll count the character. When we say character, all the letters or numbers, including the space or characters, okay, you have to count everything. So let's start counting. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Okay, so the starting one is 28. Okay, so again, let's do mid. Let's go to the main source, okay, the text, and then start on the 28 character. And then how many characters you want after that. So check number is 6, right? 6 digit on the check number, and then close. So you can see we were able to capture the check number at the middle of our data. So you don't need to manually type or you do a text to column formula again or command in Excel. You can just use mid formula. Okay, so I hope you know now how to use left, right, and mid. This is very useful, especially when you're working with a lengthy data or lengthy information that comes from the bank or from other source data. Okay, so thank you and bye. God bless.